guys, we just got plant mail. I'm so friggin' excited. It has been so long since I've had plant mail, and I am so excited to have some from Miss Emily at Plants by You on Palm Street. You guys, I'm so excited for this package. I've got my safety knife and I'm ready to go. I am cutting this bad boy open and we're gonna take a look at the beautiful plants inside. All right, let's go ahead and get down to it. And the packaging looks really good. Looks like it got squished just a little bit, so I'm sure everything will be okay though. Oh, ooh, the bubble mailers are so cute. Look at that, you guys. That is so pretty, like to open the box and then have all of that. It's such a pretty sight. I love it. So A++, Emily. Love it. Your packaging, always on point. Let's go ahead and dig in. All right. We've got some tissue paper in there too, so it gives more stability for your plants. Ooh, we got a little goodie bag. How cute. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see that. You got some stickers in there, a little clip-on flower, a little Nomi guy. Those are so cute. Thanks, Em. And then I'm gonna have to get a little table. I'm gonna start filming my content over here. We got 2 envelopes, you guys. How freaking exciting. We're gonna dig into them. Make sure everything is out of there. All right, we're good to go. We'll set that down there. Put the goodie bag in there now. Theo's over here looking in the box. Yeah, they're like, oh, we put a box down. We gotta check it out. Ho ho ho! You guys, we've got plants. How exciting! So these are tissue cultures. They are my most recent obsession. You can get some pretty amazing plants for such great deals, and like allowing you to get your hands on plants, like wish list plants that probably you would never think you would ever get. Like I never thought I would have an alocasia venom. I now have at least 4 or 5 of them now. So tissue cultures are amazing, you guys. If you haven't tried them yet, just go ahead and take a look. Just give it a go. It's pretty fun. All right, so I got a giveaway. I won an Amazonica Ivory Coast. I love alocasia. You guys know that. Most of my tissue culture plants are alocasias, so of course there's more alocasia in here. Ooh, we got a Chanturai. I probably messed that up so bad, but it's all right. All right. A Bambino Aurea variegated. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the coloring on that one, but ooh, golly, that is gorgeous. Okay, let's keep going. Ooh, the shattered glass. I've got my shattered glass. You did not throw one of these in here. Oh my gosh. We've got an Alocasia aranea. Check that out, you guys. So, if I'm correct, I'm hoping I'm correct, but I think this is like the flying squid Alocasia. So that's pretty cool. Thanks, Em, for throwing that little goodie in there. That is really cool. All right, let's go ahead and check out the other envelope. And I might need some tips on that flying squid. All right, what else do we got here? An Alocasia boa. Look at that nifty little thing. Alocasia boa. That's stinking cool. Ooh, we've got an Alocasia Capria Red Secret. I love the Caprias. And then my Infernalis. All right. Those are so stinking cool. How exciting. You guys, Emily is too good to me. You look at all of these tissue cultures that I got from her. Like, they are all stunning as well. I am so excited to get them acclimated. Let's see, again, we will go over them again. I've got an Alocasia Ivory Coast, stinking gorgeous. That is going to acclimate so well. I can already tell. We've got that Chanturai. That is going to do really well too. I can already see the potential in all of these. And then we've got that Alocasia Bambino. Hopefully, you guys, I can do really well with her. I do struggle with Bambinos for some reason. I do have one really good pink variegated Bambino. She's not very variegated, but she is healthy and doing really well. So we'll see how I do with her. She is gorgeous. She's got some gorgeous variegation already on those little bitty leaves. So we'll keep in touch with that one. We've got that shattered glass, you guys. The shattered glass is stunning as it matures. I'm super excited. And then the Alocasia Arania, I believe that one is that flying squid. We're going to look that one up and see. And then we've got that Alocasia Boa. I still need to research that one and see what that is for sure, but she is healthy as heck, you guys. Check out those roots. She is rootin' and tootin'. She is going to do fabulous. But yep, there's that Alocasia Boa. And then she gave me 2 Alocasia Capria Red Secrets. I'm super excited for those. I do love the Caprias. So we'll see how that does. And then one that I've been super excited to get is the Alocasia Black Magic, the Infernalis. You guys, this is going to be gorgeous. As it matures, the leaves get super, super dark black on it. I'm super excited. But again, I got all of these amazing tissue cultures from Emily at Plants Bayou on Palm Street. You guys, I cannot recommend her enough. She has amazing deals on these plants. She is super thoughtful when it comes to her shipping, and she's great with her customer service. She's just amazing, you guys. She's got A+ shipping. She's got A+ customer service. I love her. And you're getting good plants every time. Go ahead and check her out. Again, I am super excited to get all of these tissue cultures acclimating. Like new babies in the house. So stay tuned. I will have tissue culture videos on how to do the acclimation process. Yeah, I'm excited. Thank you, Emily.